Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today we will talk more about German grammar. And this is also part of my German course for beginners, where you learn German by following a story and seeing colors and images to understand quicker and faster grammar. And today's topic is quite interesting because we will talk about two-way prepositions. Remember, we talked already about dative prepositions and accusative prepositions. Accusative takes always the blue color and dative will take the orange color. But we have also this group of two-way prepositions. They could take both. So here are the list for prepositions that take always accusative. Then we have the list they take always dative. And we have here our two-way prepositions. An, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, zwischen. Okay, so let's see what they do. And like always, we will see an example. Like I told you, they could take accusative and they could take dative. But how do we decide this? So let's see an example. Our first preposition here is an. So at or next to, but with contact, so an. And first of all, we need to ask a simple question. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Where to does the ball fly? Der Ball fliegt, the ball flies, an die Kiste. So actually, no, when we have the box here, the ball flies at the box. He flies at the box. Where to? No? And therefore, we will use here accusative, an die Kiste. No? Der Ball fliegt an die Kiste. But when do we use dative? And dative with this preposition, we need to ask, wo ist der Ball? Where is the ball? And der Ball ist an der Kiste. The ball is already there. No? His position is there. So we would ask here, wo ist der Ball? And then it's dative. So, der Ball ist an der Kiste. Der Kiste here, dative. Okay? So important, the ball flies, no? An die Kiste, the ball is an der Kiste. No? Der Ball ist an der Kiste. And this rule, wohin und wo, applies for all those prepositions. So let's see some more examples. Let's see the preposition auf, on or on top of, with contact. No? First one, wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt auf die Kiste. No? Auf die Kiste. And then, wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist auf der Kiste. The position is auf der Kiste. No? He is on the box. Okay, next preposition. Hinter, behind. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt hinter die Kiste. No? Und wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist hinter der Kiste. In or inside. Der Ball fliegt in die Kiste. Ja, wohin fliegt der Ball? In die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist in der Kiste. Preposition neben, next to but not touching it. Okay? Or maybe yes, but normally it's not touching. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt neben die Kiste. Next to the box. Wo ist der Ball? Dative. Der Ball ist neben der Kiste. Über. Above or across. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt über die Kiste. Und wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist über der Kiste. No? Over. Or above. Unter. Below or under. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt unter die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist unter der Kiste. Vor, in front of or before. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt vor die Kiste. Und wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist vor der Kiste. And our last one, zwischen, between. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt zwischen die Kisten, now it's plural, die Kisten. Und wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist zwischen den Kisten. Okay? So those are the two-way prepositions. Remember, it's everything like Also I can take my mouse here. When I can use my mouse and my hand to show you the preposition like in, unter, vor, an, neben. No, those are all prepositions, they are two-way prepositions. For example, preposition mit. No, I cannot show mit the positioning of the mouse with my hand. It's not possible. So this is not a two-way preposition. In this case, mit would be dative. Okay? So here you have all the two-way prepositions. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I see you soon in one of my next videos. Okay, thank you very much and bye bye.